My odometer says 16.49 miles. Today is Monday, September the 8th, 2025, and we are in Troy, Ohio. We're parked at the Troy City Park, unloading some bicycles. We had been visiting our son Nick this past weekend, so we had the motorcycle with us, but we brought our bikes. We're going to extend this trip by biking on the Great Miami Riverway Bike Trail. They advertise about 100 miles of paved bike trails right along the Great Miami River. We're getting unloaded, and we will see you on the trail. We are hitting the trail, leaving the Troy City Park and hitting the trail. We hope to do about 15 miles this morning before heading back home. We'll see what happens. And this is the Great Miami River here in Troy, Ohio. How you doing so far?
Beautiful path.
It is. So far, so good.
Hey, we're running back into the north path. It's sunnier than the other one. Than the one over
Yeah, not much shade here.
so far. Which is nice on a day like today.
It's only about 60 degrees this morning, so it feels very good. Ask us in an hour.
We're trotting along about 9 to 10 miles an hour.
We just passed under that train bridge. Not a whole lot of extra clearance above your head.
Oh,
Hmm?
I'm coming.
Good morning.
Nice bike. Your shoes. I think we're going over the Troy River.
This is the Great Miami River.
Oh, the Great Miami River.
Yeah. Now, this must have been a railroad trestle originally. Now it carries a much lighter payload most of the time. We've ridden 6 miles. We just stopped to take a little break on this bridge.
Gonna catch some lunch.
Gonna catch some lunch.
Beautiful day, beautiful ride. Beautiful ride partner.
Aw. She's married to me. She has to say that.
True. It's true. He pays me.
Has been a nice ride. We're gonna try to make it into Tipp City and head back. That should be about, I don't know, 12, maybe 15 miles. We'll see what we end up with. We have made it to the Tipp City Nature Center. According to my odometer, 8.79 miles, which
Woo-woo!
a little farther than what we had hoped. But we took a little side trail by accident,
And we have all day.
and we have all day. So we're gonna take a little respite here and then start heading back. What we're looking at here is remnants of the Ohio, Miami, Erie Canal. This was a canal system that ran all the way from Lake Erie in Cleveland to Portsmouth, Ohio, which would be right on the Ohio River. A total of 333 miles long, and within that 333 miles, there was 152 locks like this one that you see right here to raise and lower the boats that were going up and down the locks. Amazing. They pulled the boats with horses or mules, and a person would walk the mules or horses along the towpath. What a long ride 333 miles would be at walking speed from Cleveland to Portsmouth, from Lake Erie to the Ohio River. But it was the way that they had to move goods. The sign back here says that a lot of towns cropped up along the canals.
At the locks.
Yeah, at the locks.
It
Said
so
that they would, along the locks, there would be places that people could overnight because they usually didn't operate the canal at night, only during daytime hours. Boy, things we take for granted today, a semi-truck rolling up and down the highway at 70 miles an hour, carrying 60,000 pounds of goods. How far we've come. We are cruising back into Troy. What a beautiful day.
Perfect.
Odometer says 15 miles. My butt says about 20 miles. But what a beautiful day and a great ride. The city of Troy has some nice things. The Hobart Arena, they hold concerts here. The sign says that Loverboy is coming soon. For all you 80s music lovers like myself. Their city park has a beautiful swimming pool. Very nice. High school football stadium is right ahead. Looks like a fancy place. I don't know much about the city of Troy, but from what I've seen, it looks like a nice place. And so far, we highly recommend the Great Miami River Recreational Trail. Troy Aquatic Park. Very nice place. It looks fairly new. Everything looks to be in good condition. Now we're rolling back into the city of Troy Park, where we started. And here we are back at the trailer. How was your ride?
Wonderful. It was amazing.
Yeah, My odometer says 16.49 miles. Yeah, a little more than what we bargained for, but it actually felt pretty good. We'll see you next time.